I remember you saying sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes hurts instead.
Barangay Love Stories. Barangay Love Stories. Barangay LS 97.1. Number one forever.
Forever. Your playground now online. Bet88 has over 1,500 games. Secure and fast gameplays. Meron pang play for fun option to try all the games. Ibang swerte to. Bet88.ph.
Gaming for 21 years old and above only. Game responsibly. Keep it fun.
Sign up and play now at bet88.ph and get 100% welcome bonus up to 8,888 pesos with instant payouts as fast as 5 seconds. Bet88, ibang swerte to.
Matcha ang daming labada.
Sa unang babat pa lang, si Breeze nagtatanggal.
Faith and matcha mother polyester. Results may vary.
Breeze 3 washes back.
Every 3 times namin ng laba, Breeze 3 washes pack. Refers up to 3 wash loads, up to 18 to 20 pieces per wash. Breeze.
Breeze. Daming labada? Mag-Breeze 3 washes pack ka na. Ang new Biogesic for kids, di na kailangan ni shake. Syrup formula na. Para pag may lagnat ang anak, bukas agad, inom agad. New Biogesic for kids. Mas pinagaling, magpagaling versus previous formulation.
Yun lang yan.
Paracetamol is the generic name of Biogesic. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Forever.
Barangay LS 97.1. 97.1. Number one. Mapabata man o lolo, kahit simpleng alaga, nag-iiwan ng marka sa'yo.
Wala ka talaga.
Alay sa laging duyunin.
Dito lang muna ako ngayon.
80 years, kusay at malasakit.
Dahil ba?
Sa bawat gamot, sa bawat Pilipino para